this is a short video, but it's something that I've found that I thought I'd share with you. May save you a bit of money, not a lot. I'm doing a little bit of work on the inside of my CJ, and my glove box, made of cardboard, it is totally falling apart. So I looked online. These aren't expensive. You can buy plastic replacements for about £20. I'm guessing they're probably about $20 in America. But I've come up with a free fix. So what you need one of these. So if you find yourself one of these and you get a straight edge and you draw a line around it just where the handle fits before the screw top, and you draw a line all the way around that, and you get yourself a sharp knife and you cut that piece off. I've already done it, I'm not doing it this one. So you cut that piece off. Here you go, here's one I did earlier. Cut that piece off, and the piece that you have left, which is this piece, the handle on this one's not great, so try and find one that's not got a sticky out handle. You'll find that it is exactly the same size as your, well, it'll be that way around, exactly the same size as your glove box. And then the section that you've cut off, I'll show you in my vehicle in a second, it will go in through the glove box hole, and you can use the original existing screws, which will tap into the plastic, and you'll get yourself a free plastic glove box. The small clips that are in the cardboard you can take out. There's small metal clips embedded in this cardboard, so if you want to, you can take these small clips out, put your self-tapping screw through the plastic and put the clip behind and screw into that clip. I sort of thought, well, whilst I'm doing this, I'm just in the process of changing out my interior under dash lights that shine into the footwell to LED ones, and I've put in the back of this, I had it laying around in the garage, an LED light. So when I turn my interior lights on, it actually glows through this plastic. Let's take a look at that. So let's take a look at my replacement glove box. Here you go. Obviously you don't have to use a white container, you can find a black one. I didn't have an empty black one around. The screws just actually tapped into the plastic to give it some support behind. You didn't need to use the original retainers. So there it is. I have in my new lights underneath and my backlit, I don't know if that's too bright, but I have a backlit glove box now. Let's turn off the light that I've got on in here to film and see if that gives you a better effect. It's a bit darker now, so I've put in these new tiny downlighters. Don't worry about that orange cable there, that's a bulb out the back of the clock. I'm just about to replace that. So I've got my nice new downlighters in, and I've got my glowing glove box, which is all connected up to the internal light switch. Quick fix, didn't cost anything, just a bit of time to do it. Nice new plastic glove box. Thank you for watching.
Audio